What's up, Double Casey?
Hey,
So,
what's up, Tracks?
Anyway, so yeah.
So my new song is out. You guys want to watch it?
I am actually getting ready for school. Are these my glasses?
By the way, my music video is coming out soon. Keaton's in it. It's pretty sick. You guys should watch it.
When's it coming out?
It's called Taped.
Yeah, sure.
It's the most latest YouTube video on the interweb right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Duns not lit.
It's not out, so hot.
Or is it? Anyway, guys, so yeah, I didn't really vlog.
Let me check here. I would have gotten it out.
I haven't really vlogged yet. I'm vlogging. I'm actually reacting to Vance later, and then I'm actually vlogging today for tomorrow. Do you do that, Carter? Vlog today for tomorrow, or the day before for tomorrow, or something?
An idea. Trampoline session.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace. Okay, so yeah, we got that. Oh, where's my finger? We got that RC car. You know how we doing it. We're redoing the vlog. What we redid. Yeah, let's do it. Whoa! We got this. Anyway, never beware. I'm a vlogger. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get right into the vlog. Let's go. landed. Look at that. Look. Oh. I got filming lessons not too long ago. Make sure you're filming with both hands. Anyway, so I hopefully you enjoyed that shot with the that. Yeah, I don't think you can see it. That's pretty dope. And then we're filming here with that. What's up, guys? You can barely see me around here. Where's good lighting? Okay, that's good lighting, but I'm gonna actually see you. Oh, here's good lighting over here. Wait, why is this light not on? What's up, guys? So, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed those shots. Hey, why is this light on? Oh, there it is. It's on. I see it. Hey, can you turn that light on over there? The outside. Thank you. So anyway, guys, so yeah, I'm vlogging. Hey, can you set this so it's on, not just turn on my command? So anyway, guys, so yeah, now you can kind of see me. Yeah. Thanks. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next shot. So I will see you then. Back inside. So yeah. We've got Kiana, KBS, vloggers. So yeah, we're gonna be doing all this over there. Yeah, watch out. You don't need to sit down. Stand up, or else you can't be in my vlog. So let's go here. Hey guys. So yeah, let's get into the clip where Kiana's trying to fly the drone inside the room. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we got that already. We've got her filming that. Okay, just pressing down once. There, it's ready, I guess.
Okay, and how do you make it turn left and right?
You don't press those buttons at all, please. You don't make it turn left and right. Come on. Okay, stop. Just stop. Okay. You don't touch any buttons. Okay, film me. Stop. Here, film me. Whoa, careful with that finger there. Okay, anyway, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna put it back. Oh, wait. That's not much of a pro I am, guys. I will not be surprised if that's broken. Hey, film me at all times. And now film me. Okay, now film me. Wait, I have a technical problem. What did you say about filming me? Okay, we're going to backflip this baby. Oh, I don't see. Okay, anyway, guys. Whew, that thing is scary. Hooray! Tools activate. This from the backflip stage. Are you ready? Okay. So I'll put that one in there. Okay, and anyway, guys, so yeah. yeah, let's try this baby on a backflip stage. Are you ready? Oh! See, guys, I'm a pro at doing this. Pro. Stay. You stay. Stay. Are you ready? Bye, Felicia. Bye-bye. Are you ready? Let's back in.
We should throw your head. Or my head.
Ooh!
We should throw my head.
Oh, no more. Sit. Ow, that hurt like butts. I don't know what butts feel like, but okay. I know. Come in. Whoopsie. Oh.
Mom's coming.
Hey, hey, hey!
Let us
Honey!
not
Mommy!
forget.
Hey, check this out.
Let us not.
Hey.
Let us not forget, Megan.
I paused it when she walked in.
Huh?
I paused it when she walked in.
Why? Okay, guys, I'm not just look at me. I'm not bad at actually flying. It's just I don't know why it behaves like that. Okay, so oh hey. Okay. Come in. Jenny Pissity Hall. Are you ready? That was scary. Replay. So yeah, we gotta do something really quick. We gotta recommand it so then it can do backflips, guys. Because, you know, you want to get them backflips. Ow, that still hurts when I cut myself. Stupid Troll, no one loves you. So yeah, I'm gonna backflip it and then replay it right when I backflip. Are you ready? Film the drone. Replay. Oh. Oh, sorry. I did not mean to do that.
Didn't even hit me. I just felt the air.
I don't remember from. I need to pee. Bathroom break. Anyway, guys, so yeah, I'm done with that bathroom break. What should we do? Dares? I dare you to lick that door from bottom to wherever you can reach.
Oh. Do I have to?
Anyway, guys, so yeah. Oh, did you see that insane backflip?
Seriously.
Oh, hey, Mom. So yeah, anyway, we actually filmed Carter's music video in here. Flashback. Yeah, it was pretty fun. What? No, don't tell me what to say. I'm the vlogger around here.
I am too. Hey!
Anyway,
There are 2 vloggers in this house.
do you think I can?
Do you think I can?
Anyway, guys, so yeah, my room is actually right next to it. Oh, hey. Wait, guys, so see this rubber band here? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set it up right here. How do you feel? Oh, crap. How do you feel about that new show, Talk Show, the Game Show?
I've never seen it.
You got lucky. You got lucky. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guys. Guys. Shut the door. Montage has started. Yeah, that was the worst montage ever. Whoops.
Why do you have my stretchy hand?
I don't have no stretchy hand. No, that's not yours.
Yes, it is.
That's not yours. Definitely not mine either.
We're kung fu fighting.
Stop! Where's your rubber band? Anyone got a rock? Oh, do we have a rock around here? Not there. Hey! Yeah, we got a rock right here. No! Wait, stay in here. Wait, I'm gonna see. Shh, I didn't do this. This is gonna hurt. Get down! Okay, yeah. If anyone asks, wasn't me. Holy crap.
Then we get down to the
Guys, look at this. Boy. See that? That's a dent. That's a gnarly one. It hurts, guys. I got flung by one of these, and I had a welt for like 5 days. It sucks. Butthole.
Why do you play Rapunzel?
Yeah. Don't expose my secrets. Let's do that one more time. Honey. And it's called Tangled, not Rapunzel. Gosh. Sorry guys, this is technical difficulties. Okay. Don't hit me. Yeah, that made another one. Dent right there. Shh, I didn't do it. Wasn't me, it was accident. I fell into the wall. Whoops, silly me. I shouldn't have fell into that silly wall. Just kidding. Guy, actually, tomorrow is going to be a dope vlog. I'm going to see you tomorrow, guys. That's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. If you want to outro my vlog with me, you can, actually.
If I want to what?
Outro the vlog with me. So we're going to take a random piece of paper. Oh, hey, grades. Look at them grades, my dude. Oh, A's, my dude. Okay, we're going to take some marbles, and then fling them at a piece of paper and see if we can actually nail them. So, tune in for that vlog anyway, guys. So, yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed. And I will see you tomorrow. 'Cause it's every day. Don't say that again. Dude, that's Jake Paul's thing. And see you, peace. Oh, whoops.